and now what if I want to have a I wish to use some custom values. Fortunately, Go High Level supports custom values inside the funnel also. I'll show you how to add it. Like you have a section, and let's create a 2-column thing. And in the first column, I wish to like to feature the map. Map. So, and in the second column, I used to have a paragraph, where I'm constructing the, sorry, Wonder Agency, or it's looking little bit ugly, right? Let's imitate the paragraphs and delete this one and add a headline and rearrange it. 133 road view, and then Phoenix, Arizona, right? So, and in the above one, I want to this would be like the standard header, Arizona. But what if like I don't want to use the hard-coded values? I can use the custom values also. Just click, just create another paragraph, or let's create another okay, let's rearrange it to okay. And I wish to use the custom values, but the custom values are like no prompts available, so it's a easy hack. You just have a templates opened with you, and create a text template, and now you have all the custom values ready with you. Those options are available. Just click account name, that is location.name. if you know in the back of the mind, then it's fine. If at all you forgot these things, you better use this hack. And then location, account name, account city we have already added, account postal code, and just wait, and like account phone number, and then you can have location, date, month, year. I want the year alone, and yeah, this would be enough. Also, I have a unique thing called custom value and image URL. Oh god, let's go with this first. An interesting thing is you can add a custom value for a image also. You can use this image. I have a custom value called image URL, and the values are plus some images. So I can use those custom value as a image also. So those custom values also can be used here. Let's first complete this one. Let's remove this, and custom values. Normally we would have postal code, phone number, and right now here. So this kind of custom values can be used inside the funnel steps, and this can be acting as a copyright, or like copyright at. Okay, so this and then once you are done with it, you can rearrange to the bottom of the funnel. So this would look at the bottom of the funnel, and you can this can act as a footer, right? Just let it save, and when you click preview, you can see all the custom values. Let's actually this is how the custom values. Just I have to refresh it. It was some issue when I saved it. You can see all the custom values with the actual custom values is actually loading in the funnel directly from the custom value, whichever the custom values you have given. And this works for the, say, let's create a section, and this works for the paragraph, and this custom value of this image we can get it here, right? Custom value image URL. And this would also work. But this you have to add some image tags, right? IMG, those kind of tags you have to add, otherwise it will just show the link. So so you can use those custom values in funnel steps wherever you like to wish, and you can also use in the header part, anywhere you may use. And the other part is like, if at all you want to add some imitate some websites built by some other agency or like someone else, you can also do that. Say there is an agency and which has built a website. Now we are trying to imitate the same and bring it into the Go Highlevel platform. What you can do, you have to go to their website, and for each color there are like multiple add-ons available, so you have to just investigate each and everything. Now you have the color codes ready with you. You can just copy those codes, and in the color you can add, if it's if those are standard colors, if at all it's not available, you can add custom colors also. Just ensure you have the hash code with you. Okay, and now you have the but once you have added for one thing, then it will be available for other icons, other elements of the in the same funnel. So this way you can add the color desired color preference of the client. And what if at all you want to change, give it a, instead of the white background, you can change the background of the entire funnel also. Like you can change the background color to this. No, it's not looking that great. Looking not that great, right? Okay, let's for the demo, let's keep this color, or else you can use an image also as a background thing. So this way you can fiddle around with and build an awesome landing page for your clients.